Chandler Cabinets in North Texas. Chandler Cabinets just built this building a couple years ago in 2019. 200,000 square foot facility where they build cabinets. They're the premier cabinet maker for Dallas Fort Worth. When they built this new building, they were concerned about getting airflow for their employees. So they used a bunch of Super Duty fans instead of HVLS fans. And they're very glad that they did. We're going to talk to a few of their employees today to see how they like the fans.
They definitely help out a lot, and I like the way that they're kind of in the air instead of being on the floor, because normally anytime you go, you'd have trouble placing your fan around the machinery. So where are you going to have it located to where you really get the air, and it's just, you always got to make room for a fan on the ground. That's where this is in the air. It's definitely helping a lot better. Circulate the air more, you feel it a lot better, and it's not bothering anybody.
They working pretty good. They have a lot of air, so it's pretty good.
The fan on it actually cools you off even if you sweat. If you sweat, you know, with the fan going on, it'll cool you off better.
And from what I've seen, industrial-wise, Super Duty fan is a little more suited for the situation, a little better built for the atmosphere we're in. These guys tend to beat on things a little bit. Wood, long pieces of wood, stuff like that, you know, so.
The way these fans work, they're actually pretty strong. They got a lot of power to them. So when the air's coming down, the dust, instead of normally you think it'd be blowing everywhere, anytime dust is activated from a saw or any reason you have dust, it's usually already starting on the move. You're not gonna have much dust stay in one spot at a time.
Definitely dusty here. It's surprising that this fan stays on all the time with the conditions, like you were saying. But as you can see, it gets dusty really easily, but it stays on.
They get mad at me if I've got them turned off for some reason, you know. We go up and work on something relatively close to the fans. We tend to turn them off when we're up on the lifts, just so we don't drop something into them or something like that. So those guys, you know, we've got 2 or 3 wired to a circuit, so it shuts down a couple different areas. So guys get a little irritated with us, but yeah, other than that, they're pretty happy with it.